While there are a few parts of China known even outside the country for their fiery gustatory preferences, what many non-Chinese people don't realize is that people in most parts of China love spicy food. So let's get into 8 classic spicy Chinese dishes. 辣子鸡 Fried spicy chicken. Fried spicy chicken is a very popular dish and great for sharing. It's usually made from chicken, green onion, dried chilies, Chinese prickly ash, Sichuan peppercorn, salt, pepper, and MSG. 虎皮辣椒 Pan-Seared green chili pepper. This dish is exactly what it sounds like. Tiger skin chili pepper is popularly found in Sichuan cuisine and, in addition to its obvious spicy profile, also boasts flavors that are sour and sweet, crisp and refreshing. 水煮牛肉 Sliced beef in hot chili oil. Of course, we're going to mention this one. This spicy boiled beef is a classic Chinese choice and when prepared well is a true crowd pleaser since there's something for everyone in that pot. Beef, bean sprouts, duck blood, broth, lettuce or other vegetables and rice noodles. 香辣虾 Spicy prawns. Spicy prawns. The name says it all. These are prepared by cooking shrimp in a chili-based, frequent sauce that will have you reaching for another shellfish in spite of the fact that you will convinced your tongue is literally on fire. 剁椒鱼头 Steamed fish head with diced pickled hot peppers. The diced and pickled hot peppers are a specialty of Hunan and Jiangxi cuisine, and their addition to the tender and umami-filled meat found in the head of the fish make for a unique eating experience that is a must-have for anyone visiting the provinces. 干煸鱿鱼 Dry fried squid. Making this salty, spicy seafood dish is easy. All you have to do is to take off all the unnecessary parts of the squid, cut the meat into strips, stir-fry them with some chili peppers, and maybe some other savory ingredients, and voila! You have yourself some curly little snacks. 辣椒炒肉 Stir-fried pork with chili peppers. It may sound simple, but having only thin slices of pork and chili peppers, mostly green and few red, as the main ingredients means that you have to know what you're doing to really coax the flavor out of each of them. If you do it right, there's a perfect balance of spice, oil, and salt on top of a crisp texture. Mapo Tofu Mapo Tofu. The hometown hero of the list. Of course, Mapo Tofu is on the list. It's probably the most representative dish of Sichuanese food inside and outside of China. There's something about tender tofu, perfectly fried ground pork, and bubbling chili oil that has people always reaching for just one more bite.